Okay, hold on. Oh, what? You wrote Santa Claus? Daddy says that we should be looking. Daddy's saying that we should be looking for. Oh, wait, there's something here in the tree. There's a note. There's a note here. Anna, you want to read it?
Sure. Dear Anya and Giotto, thank you for letting me spend the last month with you. Santa asked me
Gigi, come
to
listen.
write you this note to let you know that he did get a letter from you.
She's reading.
From
Hold
your
on.
dad.
I'll put you on speaker.
Regarding a certain Christmas wish I heard several times. Dad wanted to make sure that if Santa did fill this wish, to make sure it was one that could be shared and used by both of you. So they did some researching and found one big enough for two little girls, not just one teeny girl. Have fun
Listen.
with it, and remember, be good all year long.
Hold on,
Not
she's at the
just
end of the letter.
Christmas time. I will see you next year. Your loyal elf, Filbert. P.S. If you didn't guess already, go look in the garage.
Gigi, we got a letter to go look in the garage. Gigi, come here.
Santa went in our garage. Why did Santa go in our garage?
No, that's the car. That's not the garage. Go look on the other side.
Gianna, come here. A truck for me. You gotta share it with me.
Yeah, Daddy said to find one that was big enough for both of you.
Mom. Now we can ride it in the backyard.
Oh my goodness, it really does fit. Even Anya's legs can fit in there.
All I'm doing is just bending them, Mommy.
Oh my goodness. Looks like we're going to have some driving lessons, aren't we?
No.
No?
I can drive this thing, remember?
Anya says she knows how to drive it.
I do. Remember we used to have one that
Okay, I'm going to open up the garage. Hold on. And I'm turning off the video camera for a second.